Good evening, good
Good
afternoon, good
morning,
morning.
sir. Sir, why are
Good
you
morning,
speaking?
sir.
Sir, why
Good
are
morning,
you
sir. Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Why, sir,
Good
why
morning,
are you
sir.
speaking ulta? First, sir, you are speaking opposite. First, good morning comes, and you are
Oh,
saying good evening.
good afternoon, good morning.
No, sir. That's good morning. Then good afternoon. Then good evening. Good morning.
Okay, it goes
Then
like this. Very
yes,
nice.
you give me permission to live
Yes, Vyom, I have given.
the lines and angles. Sir, you have said
हाँ जी बेटा, प्रतिष्ठा बताइए.
style.
Beta, have we started doing exercise 17.2? 17.2, 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir. No, sir, let me see.
No,
sir,
sir.
let me see. I think
No, sir.
No,
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 sir.
no,
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 sir.
no,
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 sir.
no,
No, no, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, we have not started 17.2. I think we had started
Sir, we have
17.1.
started and completed
Yes,
exercise 17.1. Today we have
Yes.
to start exercise 17. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Today we have to start.
I showed you a video on lines and angles. मैंने एक वीडियो दिखाया था आपको about lines, line segment and ray.
Yes, sir. Yes.
दिखाया था.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Okay, so let me show you on the screen also. एक बार और दिखा देता हूँ. मैं भी दिखा देता हूँ. I can also make a line and a line segment and a ray on the screen. Oh, this is not of your syllabus.
Sir, sir, I think that it is of that cards.
Yes,
Sir,
yes. You are right.
Sir, but why you draw these cards?
Actually, this is a topic in class 8. Playing cards 8, 9, 10th, 11th, 12th. In all the classes, you will study about playing cards.
Sir, we are playing cards in 8th 9.
Yes. मैथ्स में कार्ड्स पढ़ने को मिलेंगे. मजा आ गया. हाँ, पढ़ने को. खेलने को नहीं, पढ़ने को.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is a line. ये देखो बेटा, देखो मैं बनाता हूँ. देखो.
Sir, please
एक
make
line.
straight line. Sir, please make straight line.
Okay, this is a
Sir,
line.
but don't use this.
ठीक है. Let me draw a straight line. ये लो बेटा. देखो, this is a line.
Sir, this is cheating.
This is a line.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is a ray.
Yes.
And this is a line segment.
Sir, but where is point?
Sir, the second one is ray.
Sir, point. Sir,
This is a line
point.
segment. हाँ, वही तो
Sir.
बोल रहा हूँ बेटा. पहली वाली line, then ray, then line segment. ठीक है?
Sir, point. Yes, sir. Sir, but point.
Sir.
And this is a point. This is a point. See?
Sir, in
Can
which
can you see the point?
Yes, sir. It is visible. What are we doing?
हाँ जी बेटा.
Sir, you used to do this work.
बेटा आपने ये सब definitions लिख ली होंगी. I think लिख ली थी ना उस
Yes, sir. We have written. Yes, sir. We have
दिन.
written.
Okay.
We have written.
Okay, so today we will start doing this thing which is known as angles. Angles करना है पहले बेटा हमको. एक 17.2 बहुत छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज है. उसमें लाइन सेगमेंट्स कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं मेजर करके, वो हमको यहाँ पे करना
Yes,
है.
sir.
So let me give you an example, an easy one. ओके ये पहले मैं इरेज कर दूं थोड़ा सा. ओके ये erase.
Sir, this we have to. Sir, this we have. Sir, this I know. And sir, I have done whole chapter before you started lines and angles. The
Very
class.
good, very good, very good.
Yes, sir. I also.
Very good.
Done in tuition. Sir, I am saying that only I have done.
Very good, beta. Very good. So let me use a ruler to explain the topic. ये देखो बेटा, ये आपको स्केल दिख रहा है बेटा. स्केल आ गया देखो.
Yes, sir, but
बहुत छोटा है.
सर छोटा है. सर थोड़ा बड़ा कर दीजिए.
अभी बड़ा करते हैं बेटा. और बताओ.
Yes, sir. Sir.
बड़ा कर दीजिए बीच में लाके. हाँ सर ठीक है, बड़ा और कर दीजिए बस.
बड़ा और कर दें.
यस सर.
अभी करते हैं बेटा.
सर हमने कुछ. सर बड़ा ऐसे ही हो जाता है.
ऐसे ही बड़ा हो जाता है मतलब.
Sir, resize. Sir, resize.
अरे वो तो
हाँ,
मुझे
सर,
मालूम
सर,
है.
It is from
सर ये
resize.
जो
मैं
बने
कुछ-
हुए हैं बस
अरे
इनसे बड़ा हो
बेटा,
जाएगा.
बेटा मैं कुछ और कर रहा हूँ. बड़ा तो हो ही
जो आपका
जाएगा.
साइज में आ रहा
अब ठीक है, आप खुश हो.
है.
यस सर सही है सही है. सर बस सही है. और सही है सही है सही है. सर फिर क्योंकि वरना वो रिकॉर्ड. सर नाउ इट इज कमिंग नीचे दिस.
White dots. Yes, sir.
कौन से डॉट्स आ रहे हैं.
And cut them out.
Sir please cut these white dots.
हाँ वो
Which are
आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू इट. ओके मैं कर देता हूँ. मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट आदमी हूँ बेटा. आप लोग अभी मेरा टैलेंट नहीं जानते हैं. बहुत टैलेंट है मेरे अंदर. अभी देखना क्या होगा.
And sir please open your camera.
This
कैमरा
is the
कहाँ
first
पे आ
time
गया.
that a student is telling a teacher to open their camera.
हाँ देखो कैसे बच्चे हैं. टीचर से कह रहे हैं ओपन योर कैमरा.
Sir I am asked.
अरे नहीं बेटा, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. आई एम
Sir
जोकिंग.
I am.
आई नो यू आर ऑल्सो जोकिंग.
Sir I am requesting, not a.
नहीं. आई अंडरस्टैंड. आई अंडरस्टैंड. डोंट वरी.
Sir, do we have to do any exercise or have you done any work in the copy right now?
बस बेटा
Sir,
बात
but how this scale come
This is
without
magic.
the dots?
मैजिक.
Sir, you have done something. Sir, आपने.
चलो बेटा देखो. लेट मी टेल यू अ क्वेश्चन. The name of the first question beta, what do we have to do. We have to make a line segment. Exercise 17.2. we have to draw a line segment. Question 1 of length 5.2 centimeters. We have to draw a line segment of length 5.2 centimeters. ध्यान से देखना, मैं एक लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करने वाला हूँ 5.2 सेंटीमीटर्स का. तो 5.2 सेंटीमीटर कहाँ पर मिलेगा आपको. देखिए 5 के देखो ये स्केल है. दिस स्केल
Sir, can I tell?
has 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड सो ऑन. ऐसे सेंटीमीटर्स में नीचे जो नंबर्स लिखे हैं ज्यादा गैप में, जो देखो बड़ा बड़ा गैप यहाँ पे नीचे भी लिखे हैं नंबर्स 0 1 2 3 4 एंड सो ऑन. बट वो नीचे वाला जो स्केल है दैट इज फॉर इंचेस. वो इंचेस के लिए. हाँ ये ऊपर वाला जो स्केल है दैट इज फॉर सेंटीमीटर्स. तो आपको सेंटीमीटर में मेजर करना है. सो यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम. देखो कैसे कैसे ड्रॉ करना है. हाउ विल यू ड्रॉ लाइन ऑफ 5 लाइन सेगमेंट, नॉट लाइन. हाउ विल यू ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 5.2 सेंटीमीटर्स? 5.2 कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? 5 से दो ये छोटे छोटे जो कट्स दिख रहे हैं, ये सेकंड वाला जो कट आएगा दैट विल बी 5.2। पहले से ही पता होगा वैसे तो आप लोगों को, फिर भी देखिए आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ। देखो मैं बहुत अच्छी लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूँ बेटा, एकदम स्ट्रेट। देखो देखिए, एंड 5.0 से स्टार्ट करा है, ध्यान से देखना मैंने कहाँ से स्टार्ट करा है। आई एम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द पॉइंट 0 एंड कहाँ तक जाना है? कहाँ तक जाना है
Sir,
बेटा?
5.2.
सर आपको
Sir, you
ज्यादा
gone
याद
till
है।
it.
सर 1 पॉइंट पीछे, सर 1 पॉइंट ना,
सर
सर
1
1
पॉइंट
पॉइंट
पीछे, सर 1 पॉइंट पीछे।
बस बस
सर
बस।
ना
यस
1 पॉइंट
सर,
पीछे।
सर थोड़ा सा पीछे,
सर
थोड़ा
ना,
पीछे।
सो दिस इज 5.2,
सर
एग्जैक्टली
1 पॉइंट
5.2।
पीछे।
अरे बेटा एग्जैक्टली
सर
5.2। हाँ, दिस इज
सर
5.2
इट इज 1
सेंटीमीटर्स। इट इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट। 5.2 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन सेगमेंट बनाई है। देखो 5 से आगे आप सेकंड वाला जो कट आएगा, एक छोटा कट आएगा पहले, वो 5.1 हो गया, फिर एक और कट आएगा 5.2। ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ यू विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ 5.2 सेंटीमीटर। इसके बाद आप अपना स्केल यहाँ से हटा देंगे। देखिए हटा दिया मैंने। So this is your line segment of 5.2 centimeters. यहाँ पर ऐसे करके बना लेंगे and then you will also name it as the line segment AB। क्या मुझे इसके दोनों साइड में एरोज बनाने चाहिए या नहीं बनाने चाहिए?
नो सर, सर बिकॉज़
No.
द लाइन
No
सेगमेंट
sir, that would be the, it would become a line then. We are drawing a line segment.
Yes. So this is a
सर लाइन
line
सेगमेंट
segment. It is not a line. That is why we will not make arrows on both the sides. It has end points. It has a fixed
Sir,
length.
we have to use in. Sir, we have to also use in ruler.
Yes, obviously you have to draw it with the help of a ruler. Ruler से तो draw करोगे, 5 point measure करके draw करना है, ठीक है? Proper measurement लेके. So were you all able to experience the real? मतलब it felt like I am not virtually making it. I'm really making it in front of you. ऐसे ही experience आया आपको या
Yes
नहीं
sir.
आया?
Yes sir. Yes
देखा?
sir.
Very good. मजा आ गया.
Sir, so of exercise 17.2 we have to do all parts. Sir, we have to do all parts of exercise 17.2.
Sir, I already done.
बेटा क्या कह रहे हो वरिन? Yes,
Sir,
do
we
all
have
the
to,
parts. Yes, 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 yes,
sir,
yes,
I have
yes,
done
yes,
this already, but in tuition notebook. Certain
Sir, I
students.
कोई बात नहीं. अब now you do it in the
But
maths
I
notebook.
done all the parts in group.
Okay, I'm giving you 3 minutes 59.5 seconds to draw all the line segments. करो बेटा. And keep your
Sir,
videos
it is
on.
very time.
Keep
Sir,
your
we can do
videos on.
this.
Start your videos. Start your videos. Everyone. This scale is better, I think.
Yes, sir. This scale is better.
Wooden scale ले आया हूँ. It is looking good.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is wooden.
Sir, do not brought wooden scale. Sir, you should brought steel scale.
Steel scale is very expensive. Beta, have you all done? Your time is up.
Sir, mine is done.
Yes, sir. Done.
I did it.
Done.
55.55 seconds.
Very
Sir,
nice.
mine,
Very
I
nice.
need, sir, I need only 0 minutes 25 seconds. Sorry, 0 minutes 10 seconds.
Okay.
And then, sir, because I have name only.
Okay.
Rest also is done.
So what
Sir,
was the
mine,
last part क्या था बताओ बेटा? What was the last part of last
Sir,
question?
2.3.
Sir, 2.3.
Second last question.
Sir,
11.5.
11.5 centimeter.
11.5 centimeters. 11.5 centimeters. Very big line.
Yes, sir.
देखो बेटा 11.5 centimeters. You will start from 0.
Sir, but there is no scale of 20 centimeter.
कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ पे वर्चुअल में सब कुछ हो जाता है. So 11.5 centimeters देखो भाई. So start from 0 and then देखो भाई हो गया 11.5 बन गया. देखिए 11.5 सेंट. देखिए पूरा प्रॉपर 11.5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ओके फाइन.
Yes, sir.
Start from 0 and till 11.5 centimeters. Okay.
Sir, I have done work.
Sir, I have done already.
Chalo, very good. So let's start.
Sir,
Yes.
please see my new chair and table. How is it?
New chair and new table. अरे वाह, very good. Congratulations, Devarya. When will you
Sir,
give
this
a
is table
party
and
for
this is
this?
chair.
Arey, very nice, very nice. Feels like you have your own
How is
office. It feels like you have your own personal office. Very nice. Excellent. Congratulations, Dev.
Thank you, sir.
Chalo, I am going to show you a video, everyone, on angles. This video is on angles. Okay. उसके बाद मैं angles के बारे में I will be also explaining you lot of things about angles. So this is a very nice video. I hope you all will like it. Nice animation in the video. We all like good animation. Even I like watching cartoon movies sometimes. Okay, so this is your video. I hope you all are able to listen the sound that is being played in the video. The video and sound is there. Everything fine?
Yes,
आप
sir.
बता दें.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, see the video.
Angles are part of our daily lives. But do you know angles are used in cricket and football too? Welcome to KID Company with Kabir, Isha and Dhruv. I am Azan and today we will learn Introduction to Angles, measuring an angle using a protractor, different types of angles, constructing an angle using a protractor. Let's go and learn how angles can be a part of our everyday sports.
When playing football, your ultimate aim is to score a goal. Believe me, if you study your opponent properly and know your kicks, your angles, it is very easy to better your game and be a great footballer. Do you get it?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's gear up for the match. You all have 20 minutes. Then we all meet here again for our warm-up game, okay?
Yes, sir.
Great!
Tough coach. Yeah, but he's a great teacher. Sometimes I don't understand what he says. He was saying something about angles. I wonder what that is. Ta-da! Of course. Why fear? When Dhruv is here. What is it? Angles. If I'm not wrong. Yes, our coach was telling us about kicks and something about angles. How are they related? Every sport works on mathematical principles, especially angles. Let me explain. When two rays meet at one common point, an angle is formed. We can see angles formed by different objects around us. The hands of a clock. The arms of the divider in your geometry box. The edges of a table. The two rays which form the angle are called the arms of the angle. The common point where the rays meet is called the vertex of the angle. Look at these rays, AB and AC. They form an angle between them. So, both ray AB and ray AC are the arms of the angle. Point A is the vertex of the angle. This is the symbol used for an angle. Every angle is given a name. An angle can be named using 3 letters. The middle letter is always the vertex of the angle. We can name the given angle as angle BAC or angle CAB. The same angle can also be named by its vertex as angle A. The space between the arms of the angle is called the interior of the angle, and the space outside the angle is called the exterior of the angle.
So in this clock, these are the arms of the angle and the point where the arms meet is the vertex. Easy, isn't it? Now let's go back and learn about different types of angles.
But the coach said that know your kicks, Your angles. How many angles are there to know? There are numerous angles, but broadly we classify them according to their measure. An angle is not measured with respect to the length of its arms. Instead, it is measured in terms of the amount of turns taken between the two arms of an angle. The unit used to measure an angle is degree. This is the symbol used for degree. We use an instrument called the protractor to measure an angle. You can find it in your geometry box. The protractor has two sets of measurements written on it. These are called scales. There is an inner scale and an outer scale, both having 0 degree to 180 degree in opposite directions. The midpoint of the baseline is called the center point. Let us measure the given angle ABC, given here. Step 1. Place the center point of the protractor over the vertex B of the angle and place the baseline exactly over the bottom line of the angle. Step 2. Look at the arm on the baseline. It points to 0 on the inner scale. Thus, we need to measure the angle on the inner scale. Step 3. Read the measurement on the scale, where the other arm of the angle and the scale meet. The scale and the arm meet at 90 degrees. Thus, the angle measures 90 degrees. An angle measuring 90 degrees is called a right angle. The capital letter L in the alphabet is one example of a right angle. The corners of your school blackboard also make a right angle. That's one type of angle. Let us learn about other types of angles. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Try to form a small V using your palms. It will form an acute angle. The hands of the clock at 2 o'clock, blades of a scissor are all examples of acute angles. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. The hands of a clock at 4 o'clock. The angle formed by the Japanese fan shown are examples of obtuse angles. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. If two right angles are kept next to one another, they form a straight angle. A pencil or a pen, the edge of a ruler, or the book are examples of straight angles. An angle which measures 360 degree is called a complete angle. When the arms of an angle takes one full turn, it is a complete angle. So when he says know your angles, he meant that if you lift the ball with your kick in a certain angle, it will drift into the goalpost in a certain way. Oh, so what angle? Acute or obtuse? That depends on your position in the field. Oh, on paper, it is very easy to make these angles. Like if you want to draw an obtuse angle measuring 120 degrees, you first draw a ray. Let us draw a ray AB. Place the center point of the protractor on point A, such that the baseline of the protractor lies exactly on ray AB. Find the division of 120 degrees along the scale whose 0 degree mark lies on ray AB. Mark a point against the measure and name it C. Remove the protractor and draw a ray from the vertex A through point C using a ruler. Thus, we have angle CAB measuring 120 degrees. And if you know the basics on paper properly, then making great angles with great kicks on the field will not be a problem. I think it will be a problem. Huh? Because the coach is already here. He said don't be late. Did not realize the time only. Run, Bunty, run! I hope he doesn't yell. I just hope he lets us play.
I am waiting to see what the coach does to these two. But before we go to see if Kabir and Bunty get to play or not, let's go through today's topic. So today we have learned Introduction to Angles, measuring an angle using a protractor, different types of angles, constructing an angle using a protractor. See you in the next episode of KID Company. Till then, keep
How was the video?
Very nice.
It was very nice and fun.
Very nice. I and animated.
So, what you all learned from the video? Tell me the topics that you learned from the video.
Sir, measuring angle using protractor, types of angles in our life. Sir, we learned full angle, straight angle, and right angle.
What
Sir,
else?
straight.
And so different types of angle. Execute angle, right angle.
Sir, we learned right angles. Different types of angles. They are right angle, acute angle, sir, obtuse, straight, reflex, and whole angle.
Sir, complete angle.
Sir, a complete and whole is one only.
Hello, very good.
Complete.
So let me also tell in my style what is an angle. मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत एनिमेशन लगा लेता हूँ. मैं भी हाईटेक हो गया हूँ बहुत. ये देखो. This is what is this? This is a ray.
Yes, sir.
And what is an angle? So if two rays start from the same vertex, then yeah. If two rays start from the same vertex, एक ही पॉइंट से दो रेज भाग रहे हैं ये, am I right? दोनों रेज सेम
Yes.
पॉइंट से भाग रहे हैं. So if two rays start from the same vertex, and then one ray is inclined as compared to the other one. एक रे दूसरे के रेस्पेक्ट में inclined है, यानी कि टेढ़ी है. अगर ऐसा है कि एक रे दूसरे के रेस्पेक्ट में, दो रेज हैं, एक रे कहेगी कि मैं सीधी हूँ तुम टेढ़ी हो, कहेगी. एक रे दूसरे से कहेगी कि मैं तो सीधी हूँ तुम टेढ़ी हो, कहेगी ना.
Yes.
हाँ, तो द इंक्लिनेशन, दिस इंक्लिनेशन, ये जो एक के रेस्पेक्ट में दूसरे को जो मतलब इंक्लिनेशन है, मतलब टेढ़ी कितनी टेढ़ी है, दैट इज एक्चुअली नोन एज द एंगल. तो हो सकता है अभी ये क्या हो गया, एक के रेस्पेक्ट में दूसरी रे थोड़ी कम टेढ़ी है, तो ये एंगल छोटा हो गया, थोड़ी ज्यादा टेढ़ी हो गई, एंगल बड़ा हो गया, और टेढ़ी हो गई और बड़ा हो गया. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस एंगल इज नाउ इंक्रीजिंग. ये इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है एंगल. देखो इंक्रीज हो रहा है, हो गया, इंक्रीज हो गया, इंक्रीज हो गया, इंक्रीज हो गया, बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया, ये कंप्लीट एंगल हो गया. ओके. सो व्हाट इज अ राइट एंगल? राइट एंगल इज दिस
Sir, correct
when
90
it forms
degree.
when it forms 90 degree angle, when it forms L shape. देखिए L shape बन रही है, it is a right angle. 90 degree angle, 90 degrees होता है मेजरमेंट राइट एंगल का, सबको मालूम है बच्चों को.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
एंड इफ द एंगल इज लेस देन 90, कौन सा एंगल होता है, जल्दी बताइए.
Sir,
Acute.
एक्यूट एंगल.
Acute.
If the angle is more than 90, it is
Obtuse.
obtuse angle. If the angle is
Straight
180 degrees,
Straight
it is
angle.
known
The
as
straight angle.
straight angle. If angle starts from this point and rotates completely and come back to the same point, this is known as कंप्लीट एंगल, वेरी गुड। कंप्लीट एंगल भी बुलाते हैं, होल एंगल भी बुलाते हैं। ठीक है बच्चों, समझ में आ गया?
सर
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
वेरी नाइस, बहुत होशियार बच्चे हैं भाई। ओके, सो वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस टॉपिक इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। सारे एंगल समझ में आ गए, टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल समझ में आ गए बेटा? मेरा
Yes, sir.
एनिमेशन कैसा लगा आप लोगों
Yes,
को?
sir.
हाउ वाज
Sir,
माय एनिमेशन?
Very nice.
very
It
nice.
was
we have done 17.2 exercise.
yes, we have done